Hello and welcome to the magical world of angels on the earth. In this video, I'm going to unbox a oracle card deck which I have been really excited about, and finally it reached me today. So as I got it today, I'm just gonna open it up for you guys, and this is what that deck is. So if you can see here, it says Keepers of the Light. And I got really excited about it or interested in it because someone sent me a card which had Kali Ma on it, and Kali Ma is one of my angels, and I was like, really? Are there oracle cards that has Kali Ma? And then I found out that there are a lot of other Indian deities in this particular deck. So I'm really excited about opening this one up, and I'm going to open it up right in front of you over here. So let's begin. So see, I'm gonna even the wrap I didn't open up because I thought I'm gonna do it with you guys, and the benefit of having nails is that you can easily open this up. So I'm gonna unwrap it. There you go. Oh my god, I just love the energy of these decks, and I'm opening it. Okay. Wow. You know, if you can perceive energy, these cards have really good energy. So this is again a Hay House production. The box literally has a good quality, as usual Hay House cards box has. So if you see, it's a purple box, which is my favorite color, and then it has Keepers on Light written with the golden color, and at the back it gives the card description and details of the card. So this card is actually created by Kale Gray, and the artwork is done by Lily Moses, right? So I'm going to share this with you. I'm going to open up the deck. So it has a booklet, this little booklet over here. It has the same the cover here, and inside it's mentioned, so it's a black and white booklet inside. Guidebook, as it says, Keepers of Light Oracle Card Guidebook. It has the introduction, then how to use the Keepers of Light Oracle cards, and then the interpretation of the cards. So we have first card, which is the Archangel Michael, and there. So it has the description, and let me start diving into the cards now. So I'm going to keep the book back, the guidebook back, and let's unwrap the cards. Okay. So this is how the card looked like. This is how the design of the card looked like. And yeah, and they're pretty. It's like a golden yellow color, and it's pretty beautiful with sacred geometry on it. And let me start opening up, like showing the cards to you. So that's the card number 1. It says White Eagle, the ancestor spirit. Yeah. That's the card number 2. It says the Shekinah, sacred self. Wow. A white dove with Merkaba. Amazing card. And then it says Mariam. Yeah, sacred vision. There are 2 ones. Yes. So this one here, it says the Holy Spirit. Expect miracles. Isn't it amazing to just expect miracles in life? And then this one here. So it says the Divine Director, intervention and purpose. Yeah. Serapis Bay, in accession. It has a very good Egyptian look. And Sanat Kumar. Yeah, I did ask my mom, and she said yes, Sanat Kumar was one of the sons in India. So it says light activation. and Saint Germain, karma releasing. Okay, and this one here, if you see, it is Radha, and we just had Janmashtami yesterday, soul flame. It's such a pretty card, oh my god, it's so pretty, look at this. Yeah, and then we have Kuan Yin. Yeah, and then we have Paul the Valentine. Okay, and we have Odin and Mother Mary, Mercury, Melchizedek. That was a little different name. Master Jesus. It's so beautiful the way this card is made with the blue thing and the entire sacred geometry. If you see the beauty of this card, it's really amazing. And then we have Master Buddha. Mary Magdalene. I once watched a movie around Mary Magdalene. It was really nice. Mahavtar Babaji. I had a beautiful experience with Mahavtar Babaji. I attended a class which was about entities, and right after that I perceived Mahavtar Babaji, and I didn't know anything about him before that, and right after that I started getting articles and videos and meditations about Mahavtar Babaji. It was as if, he just showed up to contribute in my life. So beautiful to see, and there's a Om in there, which is so pretty. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have him in my cards if I make my cards any day. Lord Shiva. Yeah, this is really pretty, and it's so amazing the way it is detailed with the Chandra and the third eye and the snake and the Trishul. Like all these symbols of Shiva are in there. I love this guy already. Who's created these cards? Lord Ganesha. Yeah, happy beginnings. And we have Lady Venus. And we have Lady Portia. Lady Nada. That's a very pretty card with pink, actually. It just reminds me of Samuel. Kuthumi. Clock of Wisdom. Okay. Then we have Krishna, my favorite. Krishna consciousness talks about devotion. And feather, oh my god, the peacock feather I really am fascinated with peacock feathers. Kali Ma, finally. So Kali Ma is the card which finally made me get this card, because somebody sent me Kali Ma with a message that said that, hard times go away and you've got to be ferocious sometimes, and which was like exactly what I required. And I went online to search what is this image, and then I found this card, which made me finally order this entire deck. And I wonder, for me all this is so energetic, and I know along with this, all these ascended masters, I'm sure, chose me, and they are willing to contribute in my life, and that's why I could have it. So I'm totally willing to receive from all of them. Joan of Arc, right? And then we have Isis. Again, another Egyptian figure. Horus. Nice card. And I like that symbol in there. I think, I'm gonna search more about it now. Hope. Beautiful yellow card. Hope. Yeah. Holy Amethyst. I love amethyst. If you see, I just have one, and I have a lot of them actually otherwise. And this is a beautiful card. And this is the same figure which is there on top of the deck, top of the guidebook. So it's a very nice one. Hilarion. Again, a green. So it looks like Raphael mostly, and it has green heart chakra symbol. And see these symbols there. There are these symbols also. Again, they're beautiful. And then we have Green Tara. Again, beautiful cards. Gaia. Earth. Freya. Yeah, I hope that's how this name is pronounced, but it's a really nice card. And Faith. Nice card again. Okay, so we have Elmoria. Thank you, Elmoria, for showing up. And we have Dual Cool. Yeah. And I wonder whether D is silent or J is silent, but I'm sure something is. Dharma Unfolding, it says. And then we have Diana. And we have Commander Ashtar. And then we have Charity. Nice. So beautiful. Charity has roses on the head. And then we have Cernunos or Kernunos. I'm sorry, Kernunos, if I butchered your name. And then we have Rigit or Brigit. Yeah. Inner Strength. And then we have Archangel Michael. I haven't seen anyone portraying Archangel Michael in anything other than blue or purple, but it's a pretty card. It has blue otherwise, maybe the contrast red. Cool, so that's how it is. These were all the cards in this deck. That was my unboxing video of this, and I'm so happy to have all of them in my life. And I'm going to quickly do a one card reading for all those of you who are watching this. So all the keepers of light, who among you all would like to contribute into our life and show up? Yeah. So let me just spread my deck and just take one. Let's see who's winning. Hey, Paul the Valentine. Oh, it wasn't Valentine, sorry. It says Paul the Venetian. Experiencing grace. Share your gifts with grace. Waves of inspiration and love are coming to you. So that's your message for today, right? So it's time for you to share your talents and gifts with grace. So with that message, I'm going to say bye-bye to you today, and I will be coming up with lots of more exciting card decks that I will be unboxing for you. And yeah, maybe lot more information and awareness around angels and so much more. So thank you so much. This was Shree Dembla, by the way. You can call me anything, but I just love contributing to people. Yeah, thank you so much and bye-bye.